Hey there, fellow shoppers. Welcome to this quick guide on how to redeem your Stop and Shop points in 2025. If you're like me, you love earning those points on every grocery run, and turning them into real savings feels like a win. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can start redeeming like a pro. First off, let's talk about what these points are. Stop and Shop points are rewards you earn through their loyalty program, usually based on your purchases. In 2025, the program has been updated for even more flexibility, so make sure you're signed up via the Stop and Shop app or website. Okay, step 1. Check your points balance. Open the Stop and Shop app on your phone or log into your account on their website. You'll find a dashboard that shows your current points total. It's super easy to spot. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, do that now. It's free and makes everything smoother. Next, decide how you want to redeem your points. Options include discounts on groceries, fuel savings at partnered stations, or even gift cards. For in-store redemption, head to the checkout and select the points option on the app or scan your loyalty card. If you're shopping online, go to the Stop and Shop website, add items to your cart, and look for the redemption button during checkout. Remember, in 2025, there's a minimum points threshold for some redemptions, so aim to accumulate at least 100 points for smaller rewards. Pro tip: keep an eye out for bonus redemption events throughout the year. They can double your value. Now, if you run into any issues, like points not showing up, contact customer service through the app. They're usually quick to help. And one more thing. Always check the expiration dates on your points to avoid losing them. There you have it. Redeeming Stop and Shop points is straightforward and can save you a bundle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.